Assalamualaikum TunZad daily lovers. Today I'm gonna show you full face coverage eyebrow tutorial using black hijab. Do subscribe to TunZad daily and press the bell icon for more updates. I'm gonna use a black hijab for full coverage. You can secure it using a pin or make a tight knot. I am using here a pin. And then follow me step by step how I wear it. Don't forget to say MashaAllah. Give me a feedback if you like this one and keep supporting me. Do comment and give a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to your channel TunZad Daily and press the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to say MashaAllah. To secure your hijab properly, you have to pin it. MashaAllah. You will be amazed to see because this is a small hijab, but it gives me full coverage. Alhamdulillah. It gives you front and back, both sides, full coverage. I'm gonna use a hijab bow, which is made by me. MashaAllah. with your eye veil, hijab and niqab. Alhamdulillah. If you need more coverage with your niqabi look, you can create a niqab part also. Pin your niqab properly to secure it. MashaAllah. Don't forget to say MashaAllah. I have plenty more videos in my channel. Check those out. Stay modest, stay beautiful. See you again, inshallah.